guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm Amanda, and I know it's been a long time since I've been on here. Things have been crazy. We bought a home, so we were packing our current place that we're living in, our townhome, and we're moving to this awesome home. So we're really excited, but I've been so busy. I wanted to hop on here real quickly and show you a little review on Le Duo from Lange. Super excited about this one. I just hopped out of the shower. I blow dried my hair, and I just started put a little curl in here, but I realized I want to do a video on this for you guys because I want to give this a review, and I thought it'd be super fun to do. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, so I already have my hair parted. I started a little curl right here, but I wanted to hop on really quick and to show you guys. So this is the Le Duo. It is a straightener and curler in one, which is awesome. It has different temperature settings, and then it has a fan. So when you click that button, the fan comes on and it vents through here. Basically what the fan does is it sets your curls for you. So no, I don't think you can use this on wet hair. I wouldn't recommend it. It vents it right here. So when you curl your hair, it cools it. So it's gonna let the curls be set and stay even longer. So yeah, I also really do like that it has, oh my gosh. I also really love that it has this thing which puts the perfect amount of pressure on for your curls. So it's a little easier to use than a normal straightener because it's pressurized. You don't have to like try to clamp it together and then twist it. So that's my first impression of what it looks like and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the fan on and then probably speed up the process because it takes a little bit of time. Alright, so here is the finished product. I love Le Duo. I mean, it makes my curls so big and like voluptuous, and it was actually a lot faster than the amount of time it takes me to curl my hair because I have naturally kind of like wavy, kinky hair, so I always have to plug in a straightener and a curling iron regardless. So this saved me counter space and time, and if I'm traveling, it's gonna save me luggage space, which is a big deal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you loved it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, it would mean the absolute world to me if you did so. And also let me know if you'd like to see more reviews. That was really fun for me. This video is not sponsored. Lange did not send me any product or anything. I bought this with my own money to do a review for you guys, and I give it 2 thumbs up. It's absolutely amazing. I highly recommend Le Duo. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!